With wildfire season underway, a lot of California homeowners might be wondering, what can they realistically do to protect their home? The good news is you don't have to start with an expensive renovation. No home is completely fireproof, but these changes can make it more resistant, especially to wind-driven embers. 1. Start with cleanup. The easiest place to begin is your roof, gutters, and yard. Clear out leaves, pine needles, and other debris from roofs and gutters, beneath decks and stairs, around fences, under shrubs and trees. Embers can land in that dry material and ignite it, so basic maintenance can make a meaningful difference. Number 2, move combustible items away from the house. Next, walk around the first 5 feet surrounding your home. Move things such as firewood, cardboard boxes, patio cushions, plastic storage containers, combustible outdoor furniture. You don't have to throw everything away. The goal is to simply avoid storing flammable items directly against your house. If you currently have bark or wood mulch touching the structure, meaning your home, consider gradually replacing it with gravel, pavers, or another non-combustible material. Number 3, create better spacing in the yard. From about 5 to 30 feet away, focus on breaking up vegetation so fire has fewer continuous paths towards your house. That could mean trimming lower tree branches, separating shrubs, and removing plants growing under trees, simple things like that. This doesn't mean stripping your yard or removing every single tree. It means maintaining healthy spacing and eliminating dead materials, especially on hillsides where fire can travel uphill more quickly. Number 4, check your vents. This is one many homeowners overlook. Attic, eave, and crawl space vents can allow embers into the house, where they may ignite materials inside. Many older homes in California might still have standard vents. Depending on the design, upgrading the vents might be a relatively manageable project compared to replacing major parts of your home. Just make sure airflow requirements are evaluated by a licensed contractor rather than covering the vents yourself. Look at fences, decks, and the garage. A wooden fence attached directly to your house can potentially carry fire towards your structure. One option is to replace the section closest to the house with a non-combustible material. Under decks, avoid storing firewood, cardboard, cushions, and anything else that could ignite. For the garage, weather stripping around the door can help reduce gaps where embers could enter. A battery backup may also allow your garage door to work during a power outage. Plan larger upgrades when replacement is already needed. The more expensive improvements don't necessarily need to happen immediately. When your roof, windows, or siding are actually due for replacement, that's the time to consider more wildfire-resistant options. This approach lets you improve your property gradually rather than renovating everything at once. Let's conclude with the most important part. Evacuation still comes first. Home hardening protects the property, but it doesn't replace an actual evacuation plan. Know your routes out, prepare for pets, children, and elderly family members, keep medications and important documents accessible, and leave when the authorities tell you to leave. It's also a good idea to have an emergency kit ready to go.